Electric vehicles are reshaping how we move, offering zero tailpipe emissions and helping reduce both pollution and greenhouse gases. With rising fuel costs and growing environmental pressure, they present a powerful shift in personal and public transportation. Backed by cheaper electricity and modern battery systems, EVs are becoming more than just a trend. They're a sign of what's ahead. Why EVs are gaining attention. As climate goals tighten, governments worldwide are pushing for cleaner transportation. EVs contribute directly to this shift by reducing urban emissions. They also bring long-term savings. Electricity tends to be more affordable and stable than petrol. Combined with low maintenance costs, EVs make economic sense for many future-focused drivers. Smart features, smart incentives. Today's electric vehicles offer more than clean energy. With instant torque, improved battery range, and tech-rich dashboards, they feel like driving the future. Government incentives, from tax credits to toll exemptions, make EVs more accessible, while their digital features elevate daily driving into a smart mobility experience. Financial and infrastructure challenges. Despite the benefits, EV adoption isn't without friction. The high upfront cost, largely driven by expensive batteries, remains a barrier. Although lifetime ownership is cheaper, many buyers are held back by initial pricing. On top of that, inconsistent charging infrastructure in many regions adds hesitation, especially for longer commutes or rural drivers. Real concerns behind the hype. Charging time is a key concern. Even the fastest chargers require 30 and 60 minutes for an 80% charge, whereas petrol refueling takes minutes. Beyond that, EV battery production depends on mining materials like lithium and cobalt, raising both ethical and environmental concerns. Better recycling systems are still in progress, making this an evolving area to watch. Manufacturing and global supply. Building EVs at scale isn't simple. From sourcing rare materials to retooling production lines, automakers face major supply chain shifts. Global shortages and geopolitical tensions add complexity. As the world prepares for an electric future, solving these manufacturing challenges is just as critical as advancing the technology itself. Today's EV landscape. While EV options are expanding, there are still fewer models in the budget, truck, and van segments. Petrol cars, for now, remain dominant in many regions due to pricing, availability, and infrastructure. But EVs continue to lead with lower running costs, digital upgrades, and the quiet convenience of home charging. Regional differences and the road ahead. Not every country will switch at the same pace. Cold weather range issues, resale uncertainty, and energy grid pressure are still relevant. EV sales may hit 40–50% of new global car sales by 2030, but adoption will depend heavily on local policy, affordability, and public readiness. The shift is underway, but the pace will be personal and regional.